Welcome back to the channel. In today's deep dive, we're breaking down a 3 ETF monthly income portfolio that has one clear goal: pay reliable monthly dividends while still competing with, and in some periods beating, the broader market. We're talking about QDVO, Amplify CWP Growth and AMP, Income ETF DIVO, Amplify CWP Enhanced Dividend Income ETF IDVO, Amplify CWP International Enhanced Dividend Income ETF. If you're tired of choosing between growth or income, this video is for you. By the end of this 8-minute breakdown, you'll understand how these ETFs work, how they generate monthly cash flow, how they perform in different market environments, and how to combine them into a single, diversified portfolio. This video is for long-term investors, retirees, and anyone building a paycheck-style portfolio using ETFs. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Why monthly dividends matter. Monthly dividends change the psychology of investing. Instead of waiting 3 months for income, you receive cash every single month, which allows for easier budgeting, faster compounding through reinvestment, reduced need to sell shares during market downturns. Quarterly dividends are fine for accumulation, but monthly income becomes extremely powerful once your portfolio reaches size. This is where covered call enhanced ETFs like QDVO, DIVO, and IDVO step in. Covered call strategy explained simply. Before we dive into each ETF, let's clarify the strategy behind them. These funds use a selective covered call approach. They own high-quality dividend-paying stocks. They sell call options on a portion of the portfolio. Option premiums are paid out as monthly income. The key difference here is partial coverage, not aggressive full overwrite strategies. That means, you still get upside participation, you still collect dividends from underlying stocks. Income is smoother and more predictable. This balance is what separates Amplify's CWP ETFs from many high-yield alternatives. What is DIVO? DIVO is the foundation of this portfolio. It focuses on U.S. large-cap dividend-paying companies with strong fundamentals. Portfolio characteristics: blue-chip stocks, dividend growth emphasis, tactical covered calls on select positions. Income profile: DIVO pays monthly dividends, sourced from stock dividends. Option premiums: performance behavior: DIVO tends to hold up better during market volatility, underperform slightly in explosive bull markets, outperform during sideways or choppy markets. This makes it an ideal core income ETF. What is QDVO? QDVO is the growth engine of this portfolio. It focuses on growth-oriented dividend stocks, often with higher volatility and upside potential. Why QDVO is different: less yield than DIVO, more capital appreciation potential, strategic call writing to monetize volatility. Role in the portfolio: QDVO balances income with growth, helping offset the natural upside limitations of covered call strategies. This is what allows the overall portfolio to stay competitive with the S&P 500 over time. What is IDVO? IDVO brings international diversification into the mix. It invests in dividend-paying companies outside the U.S., while still using a covered call income strategy. Why international exposure matters: reduces reliance on U.S. markets, adds currency and geographic diversification, often higher dividend yields abroad. Income stability: IDVO smooths income by tapping into markets that behave differently than U.S. equities. This ETF is often overlooked, but it plays a critical role in reducing portfolio risk. Building the 3 ETF portfolio. Here's a sample allocation: 40% DIVO, core income and stability; 35% QDVO, growth and upside participation; 25% IDVO, international diversification. This blend provides monthly income, sector diversification, geographic balance. You can adjust allocations depending on whether you want more income or more growth. Market scenarios and AMP, performance expectations. Bull markets QDVO leads performance. DIVO and IDVO provide income consistency. Sideways markets covered calls shine. Income outpaces price appreciation. Bear markets reduce drawdowns compared to pure equity. ETFs monthly income cushions volatility. This is not a get-rich-quick strategy. It's a get-paid consistently strategy. QDVO, DIVO, and IDVO work together because they don't try to do the same job. One provides stability. One provides growth. One provides diversification. Combined, they create a monthly income portfolio that aims to beat the market on a risk-adjusted basis, while paying you every month. This content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a financial professional before investing. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit the like button, subscribe for more ETF income strategies, and let me know in the comments if you want a follow-up video with back-tested results or retirement income projections. Thanks for watching.